Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Faisal Edan Fulwani. My student ID number is 19 25 21 21. I am from UPSI Kaliabang. Today, I will explain about hardware, software, and operating system. Topic we will cover: 1. Hardware, definition, function, and examples. 2. Software, definition, types, function, and examples. 3. Operating system, like definition, function, and examples. 4. Comparison, about how hardware, software, and OS work together. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical and tangible part of computer system. Component you can see, you can touch, and you can feel. Without hardware, a computer cannot function at all. The function is hardware is receive input from user, process data, storage data, display or print output, and connect to networks. Category is input device, output device, processing unit, storage device, and memory. And for the examples like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, CPU, motherboard, hard drive, SSD, and RAM. Hardware components in detail. Component 1 is input device. The function is send data or commands into the computer. And for the examples like keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and webcam. Output device. The function is deliver results from computer to user. And for the examples like monitor, printer, speaker, projector, and headphone. CPU. Process all instruction and calculation. And for the examples like Intel Core i7 and AMD Ryzen 5. RAM. The function is temporary memory while computer runs. For the examples like 8 GB DDR4 and 16 GB DDR5. Storage. The function storage is permanently save data and programs. And for the examples like hard drive, SSD, USB flash drive, and memory card. Motherboard. The function is motherboard is connect all components together. Software. What is software? Software is a set of instruction, programs, or data that directs hardware on what to do. Unlike hardware, software is intangible. You cannot physically touch it. The function software is tell hardware what to do, manage file and data, enable communication, run user application, provide user interface. And for the types like system software, application software, utility software, programming software, and driver software. And for the examples like Windows 11, macOS, Microsoft Word, Excel, Google Chrome, Photoshop, and VS Code. Type of software and explain it. System software. The function is manage and control hardware, enable other software to run. For the example, like Windows 11, macOS Ventura, Linux Ubuntu, and Android. Application software. The function is help user perform specific tasks such as writing, browsing, or designing. Like the example, Microsoft Word, Excel, and Photoshop. Utility software. The function is performs maintenance, optimizing, and protection of the system. The examples is Avast, Avast Antivirus, WinRAR, CC Cleaner, and Disk Defragmenter. Programming software. The function is provides tools for developers to write and test code. The example Visual Studio Code, PCharm, Eclipse, and Android Studio. Driver software. Function is act as translator, act as a translator between the OS and specific hardware device. The examples like printer driver, graphic card driver, NVIDIA, or AMD. What is operating system? Operating system is the most important system software that manages a computer hardware and software resource. It acts a bridge between the user and the computer hardware, and making the machine usable. The types of user interface in iOS. The first is graphical user interface, a visual, user-friendly interface that uses icons, windows, buttons, and menu. User interact using mouse or touchscreen. Advantage like easy for beginner to use, visual feedback with icon and menu, no need to memorize command. The example, Windows 11, macOS, Android, and iOS. CLI, Command Line Interface. A text-based interface where a user types command directly requires knowledge of specific commands but offers more control. Advantage, faster for experienced user. User use fewer system resource, more control over the system, and the example like Linux Terminal, Windows CMD, and PowerShell. How they all work together. User gives command via keyboard or mouse, operating system receive and manage command, software executes specific app tasks, hardware physically process and output. Key takeaways. Hardware is the physical foundation, the parts you can see and you can touch, like CPU and RAM. Software is a set of instructions that makes hardware useful. The operating system is the core system software that bridges user. All three work together. Manage hardware, software run the OS, and the hardware execute the results. So, thank you.